Welcome back! We're going to take a closer look at yellows and how to mix yellow shadow shades. This will help you create shadows that are more realistic than those if you use grey or black. We start with a warm yellow. Warm means the color has red pigments in it. Here I mix an Indian yellow and I'm gonna add a little bit of orange to it. Nice. Next to it is a so-called pure yellow. And a cold yellow right here on the right side. Cold means that it has blue pigments in it, so it leans towards the greenish side on the color spectrum. When I turn off the artificial light, you can see the shades even better. To create the shadow color of pure yellow, you need to mix it with its complementary color. The complementary color is the one on the opposite side of the color wheel. As we see here, pure yellow has to be mixed with violet. When mixing shades, always start with a lighter color and carefully add darker colors to it. A shadow shade. Perfect. Watercolors are transparent, so you want to layer them. Layering will give you depth and a more realistic tone. I'm gonna paint a little bit here on the white surface so you can see the difference. Looks like the complementary color of cold yellow is a red-violet. The greener the yellow, the redder the violet. I'm gonna choose a magenta because I have a feeling I'm gonna go a bit greener later on. Easy peasy. Warm yellow has to be mixed with a violetty blue. Blues can be super dark, so be careful when mixing them. Whoop, just like me, nearly added too much. Let's put some on the side and add some water. And we saved it. The older lemon, the warmer its tone. So I'm gonna start with the warm yellow, go over to the pure yellow. Just like us, the young ones are still green behind their ears. Enough talking for now, hold on to your lemons, let's try it out.